Last day, the fourth day and the first event of the morning session, and here is the gunfire. It's a split start where the athletes are divided into two different starting points, and they merge after the first curve. Here they are merging. This is just to avoid any kind of obstruction and jostling. Initially there is 6-8-8. He's Shadab Pathan from Services Sports Control Board. So this is the early moment of the men's 10,000 meter final. Athletes are representing Rajasthan, Manipur, Maharashtra, All India Police, Haryana, Delhi, Manipur, Karnataka, Goa, Railway Sports. So it's a war of endurance. The national record is in the name of Gulbir Singh. What a fantastic boy, what a gift for India in 10,000 meter. Gulbir Singh. And the meet record is in the name of legendary Shivnath Singh that has been created in Jalandhar in 1978. When recalling that days, Shivnath Singh has ran the marathon in Olympics barefooted. So, 1 minute past 59 seconds for men's 10,000 meter. Some of the big names are here. Abhishek, Indrajit Patel, Avkash, Shadab Pathan. Let's hope that this morning the 47-year-old record might be shattered. Some of the top Indian athletes are vying for excellence. Big names, and the chances of the meet record can be created here.
तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बनके मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू.
And it's the longest even in the international
केसरी
10,000 meter, you are witnessing the longest track event here at the Birsa Munda Stadium. The leader of the board is number 891, Yogesh Gurjar, coming from the land of Rajputana, representing Rajasthan. Yogesh Gurjar, and the clock is ticking 4 minutes past 4 seconds. One of the interesting piece from the history. Lassie Viren has fell down during the 10,000 meter final at Montreal. After falling down, he just managed to get back on his feet, and he go to win the race in a world record time. That was 27 minutes 38.85 seconds. What a true display of resilience and determination by the Lassie Viren. So this is the electrifying 25 lakh 25 laps for the men's 10,000 meter final. Inside the track, just spread across the lane 1. So still the race is not open. They are judging the pace of each other. They are measuring their strength. They know each other. They are good friends. They are training together. So a lot of things are happening in their mind, in their muscles. This is what for the endurance is known. The world record for men's 10,000 meter is in the name of Joshua Cheptegei, and that is 26 minutes 11 seconds. Joshua represent Uganda. So the clock is ticking at 6 minutes past 3 seconds. Let's see whether this can be a new meet record. The weather condition is perfect. It's 14 degree, humidity is 88%. The wind is blowing at the rate of 6 km per hour. What a fabulous Monday morning, and you are witnessing the human locomotive, poetry in a motion. The leader on the board is 891 Yogesh Vijay of Rajasthan, but in the initial stage, so there is a frequent change in the position of the leader. The Birsa Munda Stadium that has a fantastic outlay here with a seating capacity of 45,000. In the month of October they are planning for this SAS Games Technical Championship in the last week of October. Hope that Ranchi will witness the more star-studded performance in the month of October. Yes, just talking with each other, self-check with their pace, with their own stopwatches. They are not trusting the display, but this is what about the athletics is. They are checking their split timing, that whether they are at their pace. 21 athletes from across the India, from different states, the best of the best talents is proving their mettle, challenging their limits. Men's 10,000 meter final here at the Birsa Munda Stadium. Ecosystem improving. A lot of foreign coaches are working. The Federation of India is trying their level best. The NIT-GEM program that scouts thousands and thousands of budding athletes from every nook and corner, from every district of India. Approximately 684 districts are competing in the National Inter-District Junior Athletics Program, and that is the largest program, scouting program in the world. And about that program, when we were in last year in Gujarat, the Sebastian Coe, the president of the World Athletics, was live, and he mentioned that India is a sleeping giant in the track and field.
The men's 10,000 meters has been a part of the Olympic athletics program since 1912. The event was dominated by the athletes from Finland, and it is also called the Flying Kings, and latter runners from countries in Africa, particularly Ethiopia,
position. So 10 minutes past 24 seconds. 8-8-8 is the new leader on the board. Subsequent change in the position. Earlier it was Yogesh Gujjar who was leading the pack. Then Abhishek Patel, but now it's number 8-8-8 Mukesh Kumar has decided to take the earlier rounds, so nothing can be corrected. Now the boy from Konkan, Goa is leading 1-9-3. He has decided that yes, I have the courage. I will lead the pack. I have the heart. Number 193. A pocket boy from Goa. Sandeep Singh. Small in size but have a very big courage. Sandeep Singh is leading men's 10,000 meter here at the 64th edition of National Open Athletic Championship 2025 in the Birsa Munda Stadium. Birsa Munda, a very nice teacher, Jharkhand as well as Indian legends. So number 193, Sandeep Singh of Goa. 10,000 meters, you need to develop your aerobic capacity. You need to cover thousands of miles under your legs. A lot of systems are there to develop your endurance, that is interval training or fartlek training. These are fartlek method is also known as a speed play that has been developed in Sweden. In fartlek training, there is a method where you have to cover a certain distance, but in between, intermittently you have to frequent sprinting and fast pace is required. Where close up, the play is 190. Sandeep Singh from Goa is leading. 8-9-1. Yogesh Gujjar. Yes, this is the team spirit. Hydrating. Humid weather and humid conditions are very tough and adverse because your sweat don't get evaporated, so you don't get the cooling effect. Once your sweat is evaporated, that takes away your heat out of your skin. Leader on the board is number 193. Looking very focused, determined, but followed by 8-9-1 Yogesh Gujjar. Still some dark horses. Indrajit Patel, Abhishek, they are the dark horse, and see when they will take the charge. But still the race is not open. 21 in a fray for their excellence.
And representing states Rajasthan, Manipur, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, All India Police, Haryana, Delhi, Services Force Control Board, Karnataka, ONGC and Railway Sports. Now lead of the pack is the number 193 is Sandeep Singh of Goa. We discuss about the key workouts. Easy run, long run, interval training to improve speed and VO2 max.
Number 8-9-1, again leading Yogesh Gujjar of Rajasthan. Checking his split timing for every lap. Yogesh Gujjar in a fray for the excellence in men's 10,000 meter. 891. He is representing the land of Rajputana, followed by number 193 Sandeep Singh. It will be a one lap lead to 472. It's a glorious morning. Sun is shining brightly. Perfect weather condition. At the second bend, entering into the home straight, 891. Yogesh Gurjar, followed by Mukesh Kumar of Maharashtra. When we are talking about 10,000 meter, Amil Jetapok is the name that comes in my mind. Amil Jetapok has he redefined the boundaries of endurance, and the Amil Jetapok used to train into the army boots in the snow, in the sand, in darkness. So these athletes, they have to run thousands and thousands of miles before running sub 27 or under 30 minutes. The endurance that requires a courage. They have the cardiac hypertrophy. Their heart is enlarged. They have a normal human beings have 5 liters supply of blood at the rest, and they reach up to maximum 20 liters. But these boys like 891, Yogesh Gurjar, Abhishek, Mukesh Kumar, their heart pumps at almost 40 liters a minute at their maximum effort. So it's Yogesh Gurjar is number 1, Mukesh Kumar at 2, Sandeep at 3. The race is still not open. It's going. It's a big line of 21 athletes from across the India. Good stride pattern, good running action, testing their opponents. Men's 10,000 meter here at the Stadium.
Progress, and the national record was mentioned in the name of BBC. It was created in the year 2025, clocking 27 minutes 0022 seconds, and mid record was mentioned in the name of Shibnath Singh. It was held at Jalandhar in the year 1978 in a clocking 28 minutes 58.10 seconds.
हम इंडिया हैं, हम नफरत पे नहीं, प्यार पे
The
पलते
body type for elite male 10,000 meters runners are lean and slender, ectomorphic type.
Athlete at the last has lost.
अंबर
So
तले
in the
जग
last you can
रहे हम
watch
तेरे आंचल
one
तले
feet
रहते
is missing the spikes.
दुनिया में
So,
हम ही अकेले
I'd
हैं
like to
जो
share one piece from the
माटी
history
को माँ कहते
where
हैं
Jim Thorpe has
माटी को
become
माँ
the
कहते
Olympic
हैं।
champion when he lost one of his spikes, and he was wearing 2 different size of spikes and
जागे तेरे
became the legend of
सारी उम्र
men's decathlon,
तू ही
Jim Thorpe.
आना सुलाने
So in the same
हमें
spirit here at the 10,000 meter,
ऊंचा
the
रहे
boy in the last
वतन कोई जाने न जाने हमें कोई जाने न जाने हमें हो
10,000
खुशबू
meter
के
is a true
जैसे
test of
हवाओं में
endurance.
हम
Earlier it was known as a
गुमनाम से
stamina.
बहते हैं।
The
दुनिया में हम ही अकेले हैं जो माटी को
10,000
माँ
meter has
कहते
produced
हैं
some of the best
माटी को माँ कहते
names in the world. The present
ऐ
world
माँ,
record holder is
भरोसा रखना अपनी
Joshua
संतानों पर
Chiptegi
हम तिरंगा
few of
गाड़
the
देंगे
legend
आसमानों पर।
Kenenisa
दुश्मनों
Bekele,
सुन लो, हमें
Haile
झुकना नहीं
Selassie,
आता। तुम्हारी गोलियां कम
Paul
हैं,
Target,
हमारी छातियां
recreated the world record
ज्यादा।
in
हमारे नाम पर
1985,
ढोलक बजेगी दो
representing
जहानों में। मरेंगे यूं
Kenya.
कि हम जिंदा रहेंगे दास्तानों में।
Nicholas
हिंदुस्तान को
Kimboy
नाज
from
होगा
Kenya,
हम दीवानों
rocking
पर। हम तिरंगा गाड़ देंगे आसमानों पर।
the year 1983.
जिस्मों पे वर्दी ना
Eliud Kipchoge was also a world record holder for men's 10,000 meter, and he clocked 6 minutes 49 seconds.
वर्दी ना कांधे सितारे
In
ना झंडे
2007,
झुकेंगे जिक्र
Bernard
पे
Kippen,
हमारे पर
Paul
जान
Coe,
सारी की जब
Grant
बात
Fisher,
होगी
these
आगे
are the some of the
मिलेंगे
legends
कतारों
who
में हम
ran
तो
10,000
क्या
meters
जमी
under
पे रहे ना रहे
27 minutes.
मुस्कुराएंगे
Joseph
तारों में
Cheptegei,
हम
but again the leader,
मुस्कुराएंगे
number
तारों में
688.
हम वो बाग हंसता रहे हम जिसे
Sadaf Pathan.
हिंदुस्ता कहते हैं दुनिया में हम ही अकेले हैं जो माटी को माँ कहते हैं
Services Sports Control
माटी
Board.
को माँ कहते
It's
हैं
a 21 minute past
माटी को
32
माँ
seconds,
कहते
and
हैं
you are watching the human
माटी को माँ
locomotive in
कहते
motion
हैं।
here at the Birsa Munda Stadium,
माटी
men's
को
10,000
माँ
meter
कहते हैं।
final.
हम माटी को माँ कहते हैं
And number 470, he is Suresh Kumar. (10,000 meters run final here live on the screen, and 6.88 is Shadab Pathan of SSCB. Presently the clock timing is 22 minutes 26.
Oh, there is some pull and push, and
मेरी दिल
one boy was pushed outside. Let's see whether it was intentional or just
तेरे नाम जो कर जावा कम है वो
688 Sadap Pradhan from Services Sports Control Board is moving, floating and testing the opponent's limit. Time for keeping the temperature at low, but they are 538. Abhishek has decided to take the charge, trailing at number 3, men's 10,000 meter, into the last stage. Into the last kilometer for men's 10,000 meter, the clock is ticking at 3 minutes 32 seconds past. 688 Sadap Pradhan from
जो तेरे
Services Sports Control
नैनों से
Board.
टपके हर आंसू है अपना जो तेरे होठों पे ठहरे वो गीत अब अपना
Time to change their gear.
जो
Still, the
सीना
race
तान
is not
के तू
open,
चल दे
just going
उठता है
closer
सर
and closer. There's a no
अपना
gap.
जी ले अपनी जिंदड़ी सर पर हाथ है अपना
Pradhan is leading
तेरा जो भी है
and he's
सपना
competing in 5,000
अब
and 10,000
जिम्मा
meter.
है अपना सपने सच करने की तेरी बारी
Sadap has earlier
तू
won the
सारे
5,000
जहां
gold
से
at the
प्यारी
National Open.
मेरे भारत की बेटी है सारे जहां पे भारी मेरे भारत की बेटी दिल जान है शान हमारी मेरे भारत की बेटी
His personal best is 30 minutes 11.06 seconds. It was at National Open Under-23 Athletics Championship. 10,000 meters run.
Sawan Barwal has now decided to change the gear. He is now leading the pack. Sawan Barwal from SSCB. Indian long distance runner. 98, 7 years of age. He's Joginder Nagar in Himachal Pradesh. Currently he is representing Services Sports Control Board. 670.
Gold medal and unlimited reserve at the National Games 2025. This time also qualified for the Asian Athletics Championship 2025.
Sawan Kumar has the personal best of 5,000 meter with a timing of 13 minutes 41.58 seconds, and he was a gold medal winners at the National Games in 2025. And he also compete in
Half marathon, the timing was 1 hour 02.46 seconds and it was a national record. National record for the half marathon. He won the gold medal in the India men's elite category at the Vedanta Delhi half marathon.
here the star boy from originally from the land of Himalaya. He's born and brought up in Joginder Nagar in Himachal Pradesh, but presently he is scouted by the Services Sports Control Board. But at 2 is Abhishek Indrajit Patel. Let's see, it's the last stage of the men's 10,000 meters. Let's see whether a new meet record can be there. 17 seconds and the meet record is 28 minutes 58 seconds. The final stage of the men's 10,000 meter, testing each other, going shoulder to shoulder. 670. Sawan Barwal from Services Sports Control Board. The national record is in the name of
ये दिल की मशाले जोश से जला के जलती लपटों को हमने हाथों में है थाम
is
लिया
also coming shoulder to shoulder. Prince Kumar, he is from All India Police. So it's between railways,
के साथ
ONGCs,
फिर देगा मिसाला यारों सब
SSCB.
अपने नाम
The
दिया
war is now between
मैं लड़
the
जाना मैं
railways,
लड़
ONGC,
जाना
SSCB.
है लहू में एक
Number
चिंगारी जिससे जुनून
118,
तक है जाना
a
हर
dark
कतरा
horse.
बोल
He was trailing well behind. Prince, let's see whether Prince can be the new prince of the men's 10,000 meter. It's a 28 minutes past 27 seconds. Prince is gold medalist in men's 5,000 meter at the National Open Athletic Championship in September. Originally, Prince was a football player, little orthodox style, but still determined. Prince Kumar. Prince Kumar and Sawan Berwal, followed by number 538, Abhishek. So the war is now between railways, SSCB, and two from SSCB and one from railway. Abhishek Patel, Sawan Berwal, Prince. Yes, this is the confabulation sound of the bell, and the prince, let's see, can be the new prince of the men's 10,000 meter here at the 64th edition of men's 10,000 meter. Inside of the track, on the shoulder is Berwal, so it's a between Prince and Berwal. Abhishek, it's a tremendous up and down, last 200 meters to go. 118, looking very strong, had decided to take over the charge, showing no sign of fatigue. But again, Abhishek at number 2. Let's see, you can't put a blanket on Abhishek. Still into the home state. Last 80 meters to go. What a finish. What a pace. What a run to watch. Let's see who got the heart. And the prince is the new prince for men's 10,000 meter. Followed by 538. What a sigh of relief. What a brave boy. Astonishing pace by the prince. Fantastic run by the bear wall. Abhishek. Brave boys from the Indian Railways, ONGC, SSCB, but ultimately what a heart, what a run and what a pace. Fantastic finishing kick by the prince. Unbelievable sprinting by the prince. So many congratulations to the prince for winning the gold medal for Maharatna and Navratna companies, ONGC, Railways, SSCB, these are the departments, Indian forces. Here I would like to talk about the whole para, and their tagline is launch, operate, kill, and merge into the shadow. With the same spirit, the prince was dark horse. He launched himself into the last 2 laps, operated well, killed the opponent, and again merged into the shadows. What a fantastic by the 4 para. Prince was ultimate winner, so it was a brave run by the prince. So fantastic way to start the day. Fabulous run. Human locomotive was
जोश में चला जलजला चला अब रुकेंगे ना हम डर मिटा चला सर उठा चला अब झुकेंगे